Alright, I might as well just start talking then. Hello? I hope you're doing alright, folks! Hello, it's good to see you, Aster, and Imai and Citrona, hello! Yes! Kitty cat! Aster getting online to tell us about Artemis. Wahoo! But yeah, I'm trying to remember how I fucking zoomed in on this. Oh, okay, that's hello, Octobot King. Oh my god, what a great cat. Again, I literally just threw, like, all of my fucking Splatoon music in here, so I don't know what's gonna come up. I mean, I took a few things out from, like, Octo Expansion because I know those by heart. Like, so I took out, like, the escape one, so, like, we don't get fucking jump scared by that. But, as for the rest of this, I have, we get what we get. Oh my god. Yes! I love chatty kitties. They're so fun. Like, although my cat has been waking me up often in the morning, or in the middle of the night, hollering at me, but it is exhausting, but it is also a blessing. I love my cat. God, I feel that. But yeah, let's see. Okay, where the fuck is settings? Controls the fonts. Okay, maybe it's maybe I do this? Maybe I do this? Oh, that's too big. That's too big. How about that's actually better, cause okay, let's see this. Right. Turn that off. Turn this back on. Yes. Okay. Alright. Hunchback of Notre Dame animated movie. After only listening to the stage for production version for the past like half a year. Oh boy. Yes. God. I'm sorry. I'm getting distracted by this Splatoon music. God, this one is such a bop. Anyways. I haven't seen it in who knows how long, so I don't remember it really. Oh my god, like, really? That is fucking hilarious though. Oh boy. That's amazing. That's fucking amazing. Okay. What am I doing here? So, well, earlier, if in Prowler's Discord, we were talking a lot about various chat commands, for, mainly, like, the smell command. So I have a few different versions of that commands here. If you want to see the one that's the same as the one on Prowler's channel, it's Night Smell. I'm typing it, there we go, Night Smell. Because I use, like, my chat as a thing to test that stuff. So, let's see, oh god, where the fuck did my commands go again? I was also having the commands to make sure that all of y'all have access with that. But, in addition to the night smell, we have a few other commands as well. Stone Toad, oh hello, Orange Kiwi Juice! Stone Toad has like a smell command, but it does a percentage based one. So if you go for night smell %, then you'll get that. And so you still get the random response, but it also gives you a percentage for the percentage of smelling it. Also, that means that if you get smell sniped, you can go for one of the other smells. Why is that just odds? Okay, I was like, I literally checked this earlier. The fact that it gave us 50% twice in a row, I was like, I literally just checked this earlier. They should not be giving me the same thing. Like, this should not be an issue. But yeah, so not only do I have those, but I have a few other different variations of it, that I was using to test different ways of doing it. So I have night smell W for night smell weight, because this one displays the weights in the command, so that it's easier to read and change. And then there's night smell weight 2, which does it in it's in reverse order, or did I do it by anyways, it's basically the same thing, except the calculation is slightly different so that I could test that stuff out. As you can see, I do a lot of tests. I love these different commands and stuff. So not only do I have those on Nightbot, because those were all to figure out different stuff with Nightbot, to figure out which was like the best or concise or whatever. But I also have my chatbot, so I have MicahBot. Oh, okay, well, thank you, MicahBot. And I should have a smell percent for MicahBot as well. Oh my god. Don't tell me this thing is... Okay, a while back I fucked up this slightly, and I'm hoping that, because this is very rare. Oh, shit. Did I fuck up the odds again? Shit. Yeah, okay, I think I did. Hold on. I need to go edit the smeller. How did I... Huh? Or amp... Because, wait, so some... Oh, right, I forgot that I actually made this so that you could see it. I set up, like, the responses, so that they would be hidden for now. But, I know it goes... So that's smallest, right? Sum n plus equals r is... What is this song? Oh, this is from Splatoon 1. I was like, huh? What is this? Let's see. So in this case, the odds, right, so I have the 0.02%, 15.1, and then the rest is 90%, that's 1. Sum equals 0. R equals math.random, okay. Index, smeller.odds, find index, right, n equals, so that's the odds, sum plus equals n, so that's, r is less than the sum, then it'll do that. I'm popping open my responses to make sure, yes, this is correct, I did the fucking... Huh? Okay, well, I'm not sure if that was just a fluke, but we'll see how using the MicahBot smell command goes. Hopefully that's just a fluke, but yeah. Hello, AV, it's good to see you, I hope you're doing well. Yeah, I've been, earlier, like, in Prowler's Discord, we were talking about, like, different chat commands, because I've done, like, a bunch of stuff with, Nightbot, various Nightbot commands. I have a smell command, that I did a lot of stuff to, what's the word? Well, the smell command, it's a very convoluted command, that responds with basically like telling you you smell and a certain response, but the responses are set up into tiers. So there's first tier, you have like a 90% chance of getting it. Second tier, 0.1%, third tier, 0.05, etc., etc. So some of them are more rare than others. So I have a few different variations on this, because in Nightbot, the difficult thing is you have to make commands in Nightbot under 500 characters. So that one I have like an extremely compressed version of this that here, I'll show you. Like, here's the current one, except I'm just going to hide the where is ... So like the current command is basically this in Nightbot. It I have managed to compress this into 500 characters so that I could, yeah. But having my own like chatbot Micabot means that I can actually like do more fun stuff with it. So it can be longer. I can write out the odds like in a way that's easier to read, etc. Ooh, what are you learning? So right now, like, I'm just working in JavaScript for this stuff. But I do most of my work like in Python for like actual work and stuff. But so I was working on some of the stuff for this chatbot. If you know Prowler, which I'm sure a lot of you do. Ooh, nice. Nice. I love Python. But if you know Prowler, you know he has this thing, where if everyone repeats stuff in chat, a bunch of little dudes will pop up on screen and go, yippee! Wait, hold on. I know I have a thing here. I'm pretty sure I have a thing. Well, either way, I have... There we go. Yippee! That's Sachona's emote. But so, there's... It's very fun. It's very fun. So, so I've been trying to work on something like that, or basically figure out some different things to do with it. My problem is more that I just don't know very much CSS or like as much HTML stuff. Like, I know code and I can work with like data and regex and all that stuff, but actually making the shit display, I do not. So that's been my difficult point. But right now, I do have a thing up that I've been working up on called the broadcast. You may have noticed a new redeem. If one of you would like to try out the broadcast redeem, well, hopefully it should work. Yeah, there you go. There's no animation and there's no sound yet because I don't know how to make animation. I kind of know how to make animation, but I don't really, and, I did... I'm glad that's the first thing that we're doing with this, but, so, because of that, yeah, I don't have animation to go with it yet, because I started looking at, like, CSS keyframes, and I was like, yeah, I don't know Oh, man. Yes, anyways, today is the testing. Because, you may recall that there was a problem of HTML injection on the first day with Prowler's thing. Indeed. And so we did a whole bunch of HTML injection there. But so I would like to be able to format things, or at least to have some formatting ability with the HTML. Fuck! I forgot to do the air. That was another thing. I have a different thing. Where is the emote face? This one. So I have a different thing here. That's what changes the emote on my face. But it means that to do something for a message, I need to replace stuff, and so I need to remember and look up how to, or figure out how to do that for the broadcast. I forgot to add that. I should have the stuff for the broadcast in here. You can see how I have like the get channel emotes and things, but I just haven't made it so that it actually fits in the message, which will be an ordeal. Because the other thing that I want to do with the broadcast is make it so that you can actually do some formatting. So I made something like this. There you go. Also, why is my music not playing? What happened to the Splatoon music? Hello? Why are you... Hello? Maybe if I play this... Hello? Well, okay, it's working now, but anyways. Yes! Yippee! Unfortunately, I do not have sound to go with it. Yeah, partly because I just wanted to do this impromptu stream and do it, and partially because I want to make sounds an option, which is probably a bad idea, but it'll be funny. So, if you have, like, what was it? You know how, like, the smell command, I have the smell command is a thing, right? Well, if you know, there's a particularly rare response that you can get, and I was like, what if you actually got that response, like, in chat, it would pop up like a broadcast, and, like, the Kill Bill siren would play, so I, like, I would like to make other, funny little sounds or things to go with it. But yes, so at least for right now, what I've done for the broadcast is I set up a thing where it'll show up. If you use the custom reward, then it makes the thing appear. It it replaces. I would like also if any of you. A stream alert sounds to warn people about how sticky. Oh my god. Yeah, so big doesn't work yet. Bold and italic are the only ones that work. Also, marquee doesn't work because there's a fucking problem with this. But I was going to try and figure that out. If I did want to try out, because I don't think it should work. But if I do something like, where's the fucking, I should have a link. Where is this fucking link? What is this? Emote. Where's a link to this? Aha. So if I say link to, for example, if I link to an image. Oh my god, Stone Toad, you're a fucking genius. I should do that. So in theory, this should not work because I should have, it just should show up, Yeah, okay, cool. Um, so yeah, I did try to make sure that like regular like HTML injection wouldn't work, but I do want to give you guys like a bunch of options to make the message look funny because it's fun. So see in this part again, I replace the what's it called, the carrots uh to uh to make it so that the HTML doesn't actually show up. Um, and then we go to the format message. So there's two parts to this. I have a thing that parses the message using regex to see if it's got pairs of brackets like this. Um, then once it looks through those pairs of brackets, it well, okay, so first of all, I also was meaning to write a little bit more a few more comments for myself to actually remember what the hell I did, which is another reason why I wanted to stream this, to actually motivate myself to write the damn comments. Match any match match get array of matches or text. So with that, also let me know if you like want me to like zoom in more on the page or anything. Yeah. But so I get an array of matches. If there are matches, then I should fucking test. Wait, no, it's okay. If there's no matches, it was okay. It was working. Then for each of the matches found, we go through. I make it lowercase, just to make it more uniform. I replace the brackets with nothing, so I just take out like the brackets, I take out spaces and stuff like that, and then I split on, I don't remember what this character is called, but the bar, the or thing. And so I split the words on that. So that was a fast fucking song. Okay, that must have been an intro. Pipe! Yes, there we go. So then it goes through and it checks. Yippee! Nice job, Citrona. So let's see. Then it checks for any descriptors, the bold, italic, marquee. Big will override small. And then if any of the descriptors were found, then remove that part of the message. That's so that you don't have the bold, italic, whatever showing up in there. Yippee! Yeah, there you go. But yes, I want. Oh, are you watching someone? Lamau. Oh, the song. God, yeah, I was thinking about. Again, I literally just threw all the fucking Splatoon music in here, and so also I have it on low, like for myself, because otherwise, so I will get distracted by it. So I can like kind of hear what song is playing, but I'm not really listening. So I was just like, that one was short. I didn't even register what it was, and then it was gone. Good to know. So again, I haven't figured out. So again, this is the parsing bit of it. Where I actually where I actually figure out Hello, Bonnie! Also, okay, also if anyone has any wait, you guys, you know what to do. You know what to do. Yeah! But yeah, Bonnie, if you want any like help on that or any like explanation stuff, I'm down. Let me know. But yeah, so that's what we've been playing with. Wait, I just realized the 46% French. Oh my god. But yes, so I'm French. Anguish. I was debating. Okay, so also you could see how you may get a few more options. Oh my god. You may get a few more options here than you do in Prowler's channel because I don't have because I do have more room rather than having the 500 character limit. So with the Micabot smells, you can have more variety. Nice. Oh yeah, but yeah, so like the daily coffee redeem, that one wouldn't be too hard, relatively speaking, because you could well, like for example, with the way that I do the floppy disks, there should be a bit that's where the fuck is it? Yet number visible, save to local storage. So you can use local storage to save data to the browser that you're opening this in, and then you can use the local storage.set item and get item to get that data. So for example, you know how, so I made a visitors like page thing for Bonnie, well, not specifically for Bonnie, but like just in general, after Bonnie was asking about that stuff, which, let me see if I can open up where the fuck is, visitor page, let's just say, let's put you over here, local file, browse, visitors.html. Okay. Let's try showing this? Oh god, there's no fucking background. You can't see the fucking... Okay, background color. What's a fucking color? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe? Question mark? Yes! Okay! Okay. But you could see, actually you can't see very well because the text is fucking small as shit, but, can I, like, how do I, wait, interact? Can I zoom? No, I can't. Anyways, so it's just like, it says, hi, I show unique chatters in the form of username, display name, no one has chatted yet, etc. But if I say hi, then you'll notice that that comes up. So now it says that, username, display name, and it shows my, what's it called? The ID. Yeah, there you go. So, Bonnie wanted, something like this, so that they could see, like, all the unique people who came by stream. So, at its simplest, if you wanted to do, a daily coffee redeem, you could, set up something like this, and then, with that list of people, go into, so you can see how I have like a chat push tags. I have an array of the list, the user IDs, blah 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 blah. But so in theory, if you wanted to make a thing to keep track of the coffees, you could set up that list of people. Actually, I would set it up as an object so that each user ID is the what's it called? The property name. Because that's how I do like the floppy disks. But so you would set that up as an object and then make the value of that, well, you would increment the value every time they do the redeem. And then at the end of stream, or during stream, honestly, like whenever, you would save that, so do local storage.set item, and instead of floppies, you know, it would be like chatters, under, this is the key value as a text value, so you'd say chatters, and then this would be the object, the dictionary, kind of, well, okay, also, I primarily code in Python, so whenever I see, like, JavaScript objects, I think dictionary, but so basically it would be, like, an object, a set of key value pairs, for each, user ID, and then the number to be incremented. And so you would store that local storage.set item, and then when you want to get it, you go local storage.get item, chatters, coffees, whatever you want to call it, and then you can see that data. At its simplest, if you didn't want to set up a whole chatbot for that, again, you could do, say, the visitor thing. So what I might do is, actually, I'm gonna put that back up, is so if you can see how there's a list of people here, a list of the usernames and then the display names, can I, okay, that's, it looks fucking terrible, but, just to fucking see it better for right now. So you could see how it shows the different names. And then, what you could do is, also have it pull, add in another bit to the array where it shows the names. And then have that like display the number next to it. So basically you just add it to like a dict, or you'd pull the data from the dict you'd pull the data from the user's object based on the IDs, and you could display it for yourself. Even if you couldn't like do it in chat, you could at least see there for yourself and be like, you know, Bonnie being like, oh yes, welcome in. I see you've had your 4th coffee from the Limno Inn, etc. Oh yeah, so display name, capitalization differs, and also, for some users who have, kanji or different characters, non-English characters as their display name, it can show up differently. You don't see those as often, but there are a few around. Like, Yaruki Zero on Prowler's stream, you'll notice that they have it, their name is in Japanese, and that would show up differently. So I would have the text username, and then I would have the display, the Japanese display name. Wait, it would build the URL. Oh my god, that is so funny. I didn't actually know that. That's great. That is hilarious, actually. But yes, so, what else was I doing? Oh yes, so talking about the local storage, all that stuff, the chatbot, the broadcast. Oh yes, so the broadcast, I have several other things that I want to, like, do with the broadcast, like, ideally, when it shows up, you can see how it says, wow, and then it's got the header. That's because I just reused it from my other alerts, because I was not going to bother with making a whole new image yet, at least, until I figure out some more things. But so, eventually I would like to make it so that the the bar at the top shows the username of the person who redeemed it, and is perhaps in the color of their username or something. Calamari incantation jumps here. Yeah, I mentioned earlier, I literally just tossed all my Splatoon music into the playlist, so we get what we get. There was no looking at, oh, is this like chill music or whatever. No, I just tossed it all in. I mean, okay, I did take out I did take out a few from Octo Expansion because I knew the escape one in Octo Expansion. And that one is holy shit. That one frightened. But yeah. Anyways, so we'll see. We'll see what comes up. Okay. But yes, on Bonnie, if you missed it, with the broadcast and stuff like that, right now there's no sound yet, although I do want there to be sound eventually, but it's because I would like to, seeing as you can customize the bold, italic stuff, I would like it so that you're able to perhaps choose a sound to go with it, and I was saying that if the reason that I thought of choosing different sounds is because of the smell command, and I was like, if someone gets the big one, the rarest one on the smell command, it would be really funny if that would not just show up in chat, but if it would show up as a broadcast, possibly with something like the Kill Bill siren, and fucking jump scare everyone, but we'll see. Anyways, so you can see this is where I parse the stuff from the message. Again, I hope to be able to put in more options to do other stuff. But I have the bit that I am working on is like the formatting. So admittedly, I don't know that much about HTML and CSS, but I deal primarily with like data stuff. So I do some user interface. I did some like user interface things, but that was like with like Windows Forms, and stuff like that. I don't know much about the design part of this. So this is me learning the CSS and all that stuff. It's so fun watching Crawler code because it's like he starts doing the CSS stuff and I'm like, this is nonsense. And then he gets stuck on some of the other like math or coding things like that, and it's like, oh, this is no problem. But anyways, so oh my god, the other day I was fucking crying trying to figure out how to make this stupid broadcast the text show up on top of the image. Jesus Christ. Do you know how like confusing it was to just put on top of this image? Anyways, so I didn't even touch the end index. I saw that and I was like, nah, that's a problem for future me. So anyways, I was attempting to make the marquee stuff work, but it didn't, let's just say. Let me just try this just to see, because I don't remember after I changed the broadcast editing if it did a thing differently. Yeah. It doesn't. So I wasn't sure if I would need to make this marquee. Well, cause see, I might not be able to use the marquee itself, and so instead I would have to make things move like with CSS animations, like, and then that means that I have to go look at that and learn that stuff. And that is why I stopped working on this the other day, by the way, because I did not have the brain power. Oh, and thank you for the stretch and the sip. Wahoo is right. Thank you. Yeah, so, wait! I'm dumbass. Wait again. Okay. The reason. Let me try this again. Is because, that's not what I meant to do. The reason is because, let me refresh the fucking page. Also, like, in actuality, the broadcast would be a lot more points or so. Ah! Yes! Okay! Although that's kind of... Okay, why is it... I need a fucking container or... Okay, see, the thing is, I don't... But yeah, so you can see how the marquee travels across the center, but because of the way this is formatted, with the CSS here to make it centered, it constantly... Oh, also, I'm keeping that, by the way. The fact that you can override other people's broadcasts, I'm keeping that. That's intentionally there. Why does the Splatoon music keep Oh, wait, no, it's not. Is it just extremely fucking quiet? Oh my god, this is playing the fucking rocket loading noise from Splatoon 3. Of course it's quiet. It's fucking sound effects in the background. Okay. Well. Are we getting sound again? Please. Oh god, I forgot that the Splatoon 3 one is quieter than the other music. That's lovely. That's fucking lovely. That'll be great to filter out. Anyways, let me know if the music is too loud or too soft, because, again, I didn't fucking look over this. I literally just threw it all in the playlist. Hello, Spooky! It's good to see you! I hope you're doing well! Yeah, you should hear it now. This one should be louder, loud-ish, loud enough, But yes, it's good to see you! I am currently mulling over... Well, I'm currently trying to fucking motivate myself to learn CSS so that I can actually animate this marquee correctly. For example... But yes! God, I need to figure out how to do this. Yeah, to make the element grow to fill the container. Exactly. I'm unsure. Setting a background color. That is a good idea. Thank you. What? Thank you. Fuck. I need to make it. Actually, real quick, I want to, okay, italic, word includes italic, or italics. I'm adding, like, giving you a few different ways to write it, but yeah, that's why the italics didn't work there, because it was italic. Okay, wait, before you do it again, I need to refresh the broadcast. Okay, there we go. Yeah, gotta baby-proof it. Yeah, I'm figuring out to what degree of typos do I want to account for. Not that much, but you know, at least a few different ways, like italic or italics. That one is reasonable. That I have both versions available, but other stuff, we'll see. Oh yeah. Well, since the marquee is... Oh wait, okay, before I forget, background color, like what Toad said. Broadcast text, yes. background color. What should I do? What should I do? Also, oh god, again, the loudness of the music. Okay, wait, actually, filters? Hold on, let me set this up a bit. Yeah, let's go with that. That way I can have it louder and, yeah, okay. But, background color. What shall I do? What shall I do? There are a lot of colors. What is easy to read against and stands out against the gray? Technically they should be moving. Oh no! Actually, they should not be moving because you need double brackets. But yeah, so, double brackets. I made it double brackets because I know sometimes it's fun to use, brackets or well, because I wanted to make it so that whatever you're using, what's designating the, customization stuff, should be different or to noticeably stand out from the rest of the message. Holy shit, it keeps going. Yeah, like that. Exactly, Citrona. Exactly. So, it didn't make it to the end! Okay, yeah. So, that's something that I'll have to figure out. But exactly. So, okay, let me try refreshing this broadcast and let's see if this shows up with color now. Color. Yes, it does! Okay. But yeah, so, I would want to make a container or something for the, okay, so the broadcast container is like the whole, is the image, and then in the image is this, okay, also, again, I don't know about, much about HTML, so if this is god-awful, then, yeah, that's why. But yes, so, it would, if it's sped up as, that would be funny. You would probably have to do it with keyframes or something, but I'm not, again, I don't know, like, anything about that, yet, at least. But yes, so, something to make the text show up on a thing. Maybe it wouldn't show up as, like, text. Maybe it would be a different object, like a box, or, I don't know. Again, I don't know anything about this, so I don't know if you can, like, make a box or something and then put text on that, or you need to have box, or you need to have text, like, separate. But, words. Anyway, so background, okay, I'm gonna do the background, I did the background color before I forgot, and then now before I forget about this, so, let's see, big will override small, and then, there's the marquee, so then, okay, would I want to do this as a select case? Probably, so select case. Nice, crab, nice. I always forget how to do select case. I know how to do match in Python, and I don't know how to do this offhand in JavaScript. There we go. It's not select case, it's switch. God, my fucking brain is, I swear to God, swapping between VBA, Python, and JavaScript. It's formed in time. God. Okay, so you know, how I currently have the broadcast up as in alert. I was previously, and I still am considering, I'm just not sure how I do it, making it so that like a text bubble comes out of the floppy disk. So your floppy disk would float around on screen, and the text, like the text bubble would come out of it, and that's how you would get the broadcast. And I'm still considering it for stuff, but I don't know how to do that yet. Artsy brain can't comprehend all the coding. Yeah. Well, it depends. Honestly, like some of it is relatively simple, and some of it is just sounds more complicated than it is because I simply just don't know how to fucking do it yet. Okay, so let's see the switch. So I want switch 0, case 0. How the fuck do I? Oh, thank you. CSS animation stuff to replace marquee. Okay, this is what I wanted to look at. Not that I'll understand it yet, but something to look at. Let me open that up. Let's see. Also, again, let me know if the music is too loud or soft or stuff like that. Marquee, 15-second. Okay. Interesting. So what if I just curious. Let's see. Okay, so marquee, width, line height, background color. So say for example, I did a thing here and I went we'll put in marquee based on this. So what this shows in the CSS is this. Oh boy, speaker. Oh boy, that sounds like a delight. Oh boy. Okay. Width 450 pixels. Wait. Can I should just set. Okay. First of all, we're going to make the broadcast text have a width not of 800 pixels, but we're going to make it, I don't know, let's say 600 for now. Let's try that. Please? Because maybe then it'll go across the area? Question mark? Okay, refresh. Marquee, bracket, aha! Okay! Yeah! That, yes, okay. Yes. We're getting, that was not much, but we're getting somewhere. Okay, white space, no wrap, question. Yeah, well, do I want to, yeah, I don't know what that does. Overflow, actually I do want that. Box sizing, order, marquee div span, and then keyframes okay, so what is this keyframes translate? Okay, so a two-dimensional transform is applied to an element through the transform property. This property comes in a list of transform similar to those not by SVG. I don't know what that means. I mean, I kind of get a sense, but I don't know offhand what that means. Cool. Good to know. that's okay. So marquee. So they have a marquee div. Oh, span. That's what that thing was. Team 5. Huh? What? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, the music. Okay. Oh, also, thank you for the follow, Rude Pita. Why is my OBS not fucking... I am not processing the music at all. If it lags for a second, it's because I'm going to settings to look at the fucking audio, because I should be hearing through speakers, yes. Why am I not hearing my alerts go off? Advanced audio properties, not that, no, wrong way. Audio monitoring, floppy source, SE alerts, monitor and output, yes. Bruh, please, bruh. No worries. But, anyways, I normally would like to, you know, fucking hear the alerts, but, apparently they don't want to. And yet, okay, also the weird thing about this that's been bugging me is that I have played the alerts when I'm not hooked up to headphones, and I hear them through the regular speakers. Okay, wait, actually, hold on. I have OBS. Yes, OBS sound is on. Okay, anyways. I have yet to figure this out. But, anyways. So, marquee width 450 pixels. I'm gonna take that out. Line height. Okay, marquee div. Display inline block. Div class marquee. Padding left. Marquee. What? Okay. What if I'm gonna. This is my process of learning shit, by the way. I fuck around and find out. Okay, let's do animation marquee. Maybe I'll do 10 seconds because that's how long I have this up. And then when I do this, I do style. Fuck. Wait. Message. I do like a span. I forgot what the difference between like span. I'll just take it from this marquee thing and go. Or should I just do? No. Just basing it on that. Let's go style equals. Style equals quotation marks, animation marquee, 10 seconds, blah 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 blah. And then this plus formatted plus span. I don't know if this will work or what, but we'll see, I guess. Wait, I need to do marquee. Yeah, did I do that right? I did. Did I? Oh, I bet I fucked up something. Okay, what did I change? I have this, but I need that for... I wonder if it's something about the translating, because I have this to center it, but... Fuck. I wonder if I have to, like, make a second container or something. Oh, right, never mind. The reason is because I have a fucking switch statement here that I forgot to fix, so it's erroring, and that's why. Okay. I forgot distracted halfway through doing this, and that's why it fucked up. Anyways, case 0, let's do, Actually, I should do... Actually, how am I going to do that? Because I can't do marquee and... Because I was thinking I would just do, like, style equals something, but let me, also, I don't know, what, standards there are for naming any of this stuff, so we'll see. But, big... let's just say 36 for that. Small. And we'll do, what was it, 24, we'll do, well, just for now, just to see. What did I do here? I did P equals blah blah blah. Maybe I'll put the... Maybe I'll put this earlier. Why do I have a second one of these here? Oh, it was for the big, but... Okay. So... We'll put this here, and we'll go... Formatted... Wait, if I'm doing... Apologies. I don't fucking... Okay. What am I doing here again? Font, size, 12, px, blah. Break. I hate that this doesn't indent switch cases correctly. Also, this is not the message, this should be split. Message info dot html dot size case 1. Technically, I don't need to do that, but for now, I'm going to, because just to keep it straight in my head. Break. And then here should be 36 question mark, maybe. That's all I have to do. That's right. I think that should be case break. Yeah, I don't need a default. There we go. Oh wait, and I need to make sure that says 2. Okay, let's try that. Question mark. Save. Refresh. Turn back on. Small. Hi. No. I don't think. Or did it? Broadcast. Big. try. Oh! Maybe it did work and it's just not that visible. Okay, maybe I should go smaller than 12 pixels then, because that was, in comparison, not that... Marquee. Ah! Ooh! Okay, marquee is not working, but, okay, so let me try what I did before with, let's see. So let me just go back to marquee for a second. Right? And wait, I forgot to refresh the fucking page. So now I will refresh it and do that again. Okay. Okay, so now if we get the full broadcast. Actually, I'm gonna just change this up to size 48 and then refresh it again. So now if we have the whole shebang. Nice! Nice! This is so stupid. I love it. Yeah, so I do want to figure out that bit with the marquee keyframes, because that way I can make it go faster, hopefully, question mark, maybe, if it needs to speed through. Also, wait, I want to test out small again to see how this looks in comparison. Small. Okay, yeah. God, honestly, what I was planning at first was to make it so that you could actually, format parts of the message, not just the whole message. But just, I wanted to do this first for proof of concept because figuring out the regex for, like, picking out the, so, like, previously I was thinking that the syntax would be something like, brackets, big, italic, message here. So I was thinking it would be something like this, so that in theory you would be, oh yeah, it is, huh? In theory you could do something like normal message, fancy message here, back to normal. So I was planning for, I would like to be doing, I would like to the fucking the reflex, the salmon run reflexes. But yeah, figuring out the regex for that bit with like the message and only doing it specifically on those parts, I wanted to at least get proof of concept of this going before trying to make that whole fancy thing. Alright. Let's see. Okay. What the fuck is it marked? Okay, what the fuck is this animation stuff? Okay, so right now, what I have for this this stuff, this center bit makes it so that the stuff actually shows up positioned in the middle of the image, because if I don't have that, it looks bad. which, let me see if I... Yeah, so it looks bad. You can see how the message shows up underneath it. And it has to do with this. So this, like, transform bit of it with the translate is what does that. Okay, so what I'm thinking is that I need to have the image, and then I need to have, like, a container, or I need to have something for the text to just be in the text. What are different kinds of text? W3 schools, help me. I don't know this stuff. Okay. Yeah, that's JavaScript. Where's CSS? Yeah, honestly. Oh god. But yeah, like this is the stuff that I don't know how to do. Figuring out how to do all the fucking parsing and that stuff, that was easy. Like on the chatbot, I have a fun thing, because of clicky and code injection. I was curious if anyone would try to do a funny little thing with the smell command, since if you notice it doesn't have the wide sniff of Guardian, versus Prowler's smell command. So I made a whole thing that checks that, parses regex, it only does it with certain odds, all this sorts of stuff. That part's fine. That stuff's all fine. I don't know how to make a fucking rectangle. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's see. It would be more, you can't, let's see. Although I did actually want to see, like, kind of what stuff that people would use if trying to do, like, HTML injection with it, because I used some examples which should, the regex should match a bunch of the stuff that Clicky tried previously on Prowler's channel for the smell command, but I wasn't sure, like, what other stuff. Possibly I'll add in the $, the eval, stuff like that. Okay, CSS. Box. Display, blob. Is there any, CSS syntax, selectors, borders, margins, padding, height, width, outline, text formatting, text color, background color, text alignment, decoration. No, that's no, not quite. Text spacing, text shadow, links, list tables. What is oh no, that display, I know what that is. How to make a I want to make a fucking like, okay. So ideally, what I would like to have is, I should make a, hold on, actually, I should make a thing where I can make the broadcast stay up, just so that I can look at it. Okay, broadcast, format, message, if timer.setTime. How the fuck did I do that for my face again? Emote face? Yeah, here we go. Used for talking, there we go. So I set this here. Timer is set timeout, blah 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 blah. If message, how would I say, what is JavaScript string file? JavaScript, it's match. Oh, I could do match. Yeah, I could do match. Okay, if channel, if tags use, what's it? It's like use chatter ID. I forget what that user ID. There we go. If tags user ID equals channel ID. And that doesn't need a thing there. So that makes it so that only mine will activate it message dot and message dot and not message dot match, but match gets me an array, but if it's not, okay, let's see if search, let's starts with, ends with, code point calling. I could do, actually, wait, just string includes. Never mind. String has includes. And not message dot includes. Actually, message dot to lower case includes broadcast stay up, then blah. Okay. So in theory, that should work, and I should be able to say blah blah. Actually, I want to marquee it. Blah broadcast. I just realized I misspelled it broadcast, but you know, that's fine too. Okay, let's see if this stays longer than 10 seconds, because if it did, then I did it correctly. No, I didn't. Wait, and I'm a dumbass. I forgot. I did 2 lowercase. Broad. At least now I can update it. Broadcast. Stay up. Okay, cool. Refresh. Blah blah blah. I put this in. I do that, and please stay, please. Okay, I think yes. So what I want to do is I want to put up some kind of, I want to make it so that that square stays there in the message thing, and then the marquee and all that fancy stuff can happen within it. Do I just change the size of the block? So okay, so broadcast text inline. Display inline. Okay, I'm gonna grab that marquee just to see what it. So what if I do? Broadcast. Where do I put this? I'm like trying to think of where can I put this. Should I just put this marquee in here? Div class marquee. Just automatically put it in as a. I swear. Okay. Div class marquee, div span test 2. Okay, let's try putting it here just to see. Fuck! I should do that too. There's a thing to replace emotes. Okay, actually, hold on. If object.keys tag... Okay, how did I do this? I should have CDN. I should have that. Yes, okay, I left it on here. It... Wait. My and is wrong. Okay, if it's from me... No, wait. Because wait, if I don't want it to do... Okay, wait, hold on. You're right, it is stuck. It is stuck. If it's not from me, and it doesn't include... Yeah, okay, that I think is correct. Did I change this? No, I didn't. Did I change up? Well, I fucked... let me do that so that I can refresh this. And now this should be correct. Thank you. Ah. This one should go away, I hope. But in the meantime... What if I do... Center... Or is it? Fucking... What did I do? What did I do? Okay. If... Oh, I'm a fool. 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 Okay. Okay, so if it's not from me, and it's not blah blah blah. Wait, I bet I can actually do this at the same time. If I do... Yes, I can! Cool. I love this emote. Thank you, Clicky, for making this emote. It's so dumb. Okay, please? Are you going to... No, you're not going to disappear. Why is this... Okay, let me think. Let me think about how I fucking did this again. Okay, so last time I did... So if... Oh, it's because it's not from... Okay. Okay. If it's from me, and it does this, then... Fuck, is there something that's like pass in... JavaScript? Because like pass just does nothing, but I don't think... Will it let me just have nothing there? Because in Python at least I could do ifs where the first thing doesn't do anything and then... Wait. What I will do is I will do not, like that. Although but I really do wonder, like, because I've been thinking, I like having pass to, as a placeholder. Okay, test this out. Let's see if Fortnite stays up. Right? I need to use the fucking command. I mean, the redeem. There we go. I may be getting tired. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Wow, holy shit, how is it almost 11? Okay, well. I'll go a little further because I want to see... Where am I? Where is... Oh, that's the wrong thing. I want to look at this. Cause say I go... So what I want to do is I want to make... Can I like make a container? Oh, hello Hontic! Good to see you! Hope you're doing well. Thank you. Fortnite. Should have done this before 3 hours to reset. Oh yeah, oh huh. But yes, hello Hontic! Thank you for the sip and the stretch for Fortnite. Genshin. Thinking of... But yeah, okay. Anyways. I hope you're doing well, Hontic. Right now, I am... learning CSS on the fly, because I have no idea about a lot of this stuff. Okay, what if I do... Okay, let's do mark... how am I going to do this, actually? How am I going to do this? Oh! Good luck with the midterm! I hope it goes well! Thank you, thank you! Yeah, I'm fumbling my way. I'll fumble my way around this. Center. Let's do this here with and height. Let's set it to be, I don't fucking know. And just to see it, what it shows up as, let's do this, I think. And then I'm going to change, be honest, I'm not entirely sure about the stuff with span, but it's fine. Test, broadcast, text, text align, center, yes, yes, I don't want that, and then, let me just try reloading this to see how it goes. Test, broadcast, stay up. Okay, that's really fucking big, but okay. Okay, why is it so high up? Anyways, but let's try this again. Refresh. Okay, okay. Oh, it's because I have it too close to the top, don't I? Maybe I should do pixels for the top, since I actually can measure that. Where is my fucking picture? Because that is 160, and I forget exactly... I'm looking for the size of the top bar of the alert. Where is my fucking... Oh, there's my alerts. There's my alerts. Okay. Let's see. Let's open this. Edit with... What can I look at the pixel? Ah, fuck it. I hope this shouldn't lag too much, but let me try opening a sprite. Please? And hopefully it won't take too long. Okay, okay. Not terrible, not terrible. And then if I select, let me see how big this is. Do I actually have a thing for a sprite up? I might actually. Let's see if I... Wow! It is! But I wanted to use this tool so that I could see about, oh, let's say what is that, 45, 46 pixels, okay. That is... the way I'm thinking, or the way I'm hoping that will work, is that I will have a container here that's the maximum size the text can be, and then within that, the text will change for the big or small, but the container will be the same because it's the maximum size. Also, because it's the maximum size, that means that it can go from one side to the other for the marquee, when it's doing that. I hope. I hope. Fresh? Let's try this again. Apparently not. Okay. Below the top edge of the... Okay. That doesn't do it. And maybe I should go back to, let's try % just to see. Okay. Perm. Wait, did I have to double that? Yeah, wait, no, I had to double that. Never mind. It might just be my mistake. 80, 92, not percent, pixels. And then, try refreshing this again. Okay! Yes, that looks a lot more correct. Yes. Yes, okay, I forgot to double the numbers because I have that done at half. Okay, maybe I'll do like 80 pixels then. I need to... Yeah, okay, that'll do. So I have the container here, although the text is still not... Maybe if I do that, because I need to... Oh wait, no, if I have the... I should be able to have this centered. Maybe. How did I... Okay, I'll figure that out, the centering out, in a second. Also, I forgot that I did that. But let's see. Okay, so that's the box for the text to go. Maybe I'll make it a little smaller. And then within that, the text... You know, okay. For now, I'm just gonna change this to block so that it shows up right away when I refresh it. Okay. But then, okay, then I need to center it vertically, which I forget how to text. Is there a vertical line? Nice, I think. Wait, vertical line middle, perhaps? Question mark. Let's see if that works. No. Okay, it's time to go look this up. Center, CSS, center text vertically. Let's see. What is this vertically aligned text? This uses a flex box. Okay, this one says vertical align middle, but... So this one displays... Oh, I could do a line height. A line height containing text. Add a line height property to the element containing text larger than its font size. By default, equal spaces. Okay, wait, let me try that one. Let me try that one. I think I saw this. I think I saw this one before. So if I do line height 50 pixels, let's try that. Oh! Although it got bigger for some reason, which is confusing. Huh. Huh. I don't know how this works. Does this need to be like on top or like absolute or something like that? Position absolute, maybe? Question mark, No, it doesn't. It's still going too far, like, below. Text align, center, vertical align. What were the options here again? Super middle? This... Oh, this is a Splatoon 1 song. Okay, well, okay, so I have a container for it. So what if I go... So because this fucking div thing... Let me just test. What if I just yeet that in there? Also, if I fucking do that so that it shows. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, so honestly, I'm not entirely sure how this works. So I will have to look more into this because I don't know what keyframes do yet. And I think that probably is going to be useful, and also I need to figure out more about actual like CSS animation and what it's doing. And also I need to figure out more about how exactly you fucking position, do you center text? But, honestly this is interesting. Does the marquee thing still work? Ah, it does, although now it looks particularly weird. But you know, whatever, it's fine for now. We'll fix it up. It still works. Nice. Anyway, so that's words. Okay, I'm I'm clearly getting tired. So I think I will go rest. God, I fucking love the marquee so much. I'm so glad. I need to figure out how to make it like speed up relative to the amount of stuff in it. But this is great. I'm so glad. This is what I've been wanting from Crawler's Yippee. So anyways, for now, since I am tired, I am going to actually start finishing. I think I'm going to actually finish up, probably raid someone, and then I'll see about fiddling with this some more. So different things I have are actually figure out the CSS animation for the marquee, fiddle with the font sizes a bit more, see, what else was there? What else was there? Oh yeah, sounds! Okay, actually, let me make my notes on this page. Actually, we'll start, let's see, where's... Notes. Notes. Ah! That's not where I wanted. I want to figure out CSS animation, marquee. Oh shit! Hello, Magic! Oh my god, thank you! Thank you! God, it's good to see you! I hope you're doing well! Glad to see you around! Okay, so I want to figure out the CSS animation, and I want to center the damn text, and I want to add sound effects with optional thing with, or add sound effects possibly for users to choose. And then there you go. Yeah. I've been working on a thing like this. It's kind of like the EP, but it's this yes. Oh my god, wait, is it? Wait, is it actually? Oh my god, it is. Okay, yeah, this is perfect, perfect ending. Okay, we have the bing 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 bang bing 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 music. Alright, yeah, this is awesome. Okay, cool. Right as I was finishing up. Oh my god, thank you, Toad! Thank you guys, like, thank you guys so much, like, yeah. God, I especially since I haven't been streaming as much lately. But yeah, enjoy the emotes. But yeah, anyway, so I've been just playing around with this so we can do marquee, big, italic, bold. I keep forgetting to activate the stupid fucking redeem. I was doing so many tests with, oh my god, wait, that is huge and I love this. Anyways, I've been doing so many tests with just sending messages that I keep forgetting I actually have to fucking do a redeem for this one. But yes. Anyways, so, that's that. And hopefully I will figure out some more stuff so that we can make it better and some sound effects and things like that. I have other plans and stuff for the chatbot as well, but that's for later. Oh fuck, I forgot I had it paused! My bad, I broke... Oh my god, I broke my, floppy disk's redeem and I forgot to unfucking pause the- oh my god. Okay, I'm unpausing them because I broke the chatbot while I was testing a bunch of these things, and so I paused it so that people wouldn't use their points on it. Anyways, they should now be back up. Okay, let's see. JP is streaming Sunhaven. What is that? Issa, Elden Ring, Clover. Ooh. The shitpost calligrapher. They're a person from Tumblr. Do I want to? Well, I'll shout. I keep meaning to actually drop by, like, one of their streams because they do calligraphy and stuff. It's very cool. But I'll shout him out. If you want to check them out. Yeah. But I want to go see JP, honestly. I haven't hung out in his stream in a while. The only one that I did recently was the fashion one, because Bonnie rated there. So really nice. It'll be nice to check in with him. I don't, if any of you have like a fun raid message, I am brain tired. Been thinking about code all day. I don't know. Feel free to use these, and oh goody, we have the creepy music from the rocket in Splatoon 3. Anyways, if you just want to use that default raid, then go for it. And you should be able to use the redeems to get the emotes if you would like. Yeah, I'm glad you guys dropped by this impromptu stream. Glad we could have y'all testing out the broadcast with me. Thank you, Citrona, for just putting cock in all caps at first. Tired cutting her hand. Yeah, that too. That works as well. I may take that. But yes, so anyways, hopefully I will get this up and we'll get some more funny sound effects and things like that to play with. Yeah, and if you guys have any questions or stuff like that about the Nightbot commands or things, and Bonnie, if you want to figure out the I'll take a look at the visitors thing and see if I can write you in a little coffee detection sort of thing. But yes, anyways, raid. Get that started. Honestly, that's easy. That to display is easy. Setting up the chatbot, I've kind of been willing to figure out at first, but overall, it was like, oh yeah, this is fine. I swear, trying to figure out how to make a fucking rectangle is giving me a fucking brain's not even working to think about what word to say there. But yeah, anyways. I'll show you. I'll send some stuff about it, because at least if I have the visitor code, then I can show that. But yes, anyways, thank you all for coming by. Take care, everyone. Have a good night. And yeah, say hi to JP. Bye, Citrona and Bonnie and Magic and wait, actually, do I have the visitors page still open? No, wait, yes, I do. I do actually have the visitors page still open, so I can look at this. What is this? Okay, but yes, by Toad and Citrona and Imai and Bonnie and Spooky and Hontik and Magic. And actually, I believe earlier before I had this up, we saw Orange Kiwi Juice and someone else. But yes, Orange Kiwi Juice and Brother AV and yeah. Anyways, so take care, folks. The raid is going off, so have a good night. Bye-bye.